Each one of us, you and me, works throughout his or her life to develop and grow. And throughout facilitation, or whenever we're sharing an experience within a process, desiring a specific outcome, we really tend to look forward in growing within a process. Facilitation helps mainly in four main ideas. One, sharing experience between every participant and every individual, because every experience is unique and has a lot to be shared. Two, building bridges and connections between each other. Three, embracing diversity. Four, enhancing creativity.